Right then, twin-snorters installed, factory back box swapped out for a set of resonated short tails. It's finally time to bring the Nismo noise. Before I do though, I just want to big up BOTB for their support on this one, as it allowed me to take a couple of days away from cleaning cars to go out and get the footage I needed, as well of course as top the tank up beforehand. For those of you that don't know then, Best of the Best is a weekly car competition with a guaranteed winner that's surprised in person every Tuesday. There's, I think, 150 different cars to choose from, including a Litchfield GT-R for a £5 a ticket and an OG R34 for less than £3, but there are plenty of others available from as little as 85p. It's a worldwide competition. You've only got to be 16 to enter, and it ends at midnight every Sunday. They also throw in a year's servicing and insurance, as well as the possibility of driving away with 20k cash in the boot. So check them out via the links below if you're interested, and yeah, enjoy the short flick. Brilliant.